Hey guys, welcome to yet another review of Megasuite, the first ever all-in-one automated AI platform which makes limitless cloud hosting, file storage, auto-responding, funnel building, webinar creation, and graphic designing an instant reality. The only all-in-one power-packed digital solution you'll ever need. The most demanded services like website hosting, cloud storage, webinar hosting, funnel creation, graphic designing, auto-responding all can be accessed from the dashboard of a single software like this. Are you hopelessly searching for a better tomorrow? Are you working crazy hours to understand each software that ends up sucking the life out of you? Are you tired of everything possible? Then this software is going to be your lucky call. Now you would get to know some awesome advantages of using this software. The best thing is that it's super simple to use. Literally, you can get great work done in your sleep. And it's so fast because time is money. So this can help you waste no time at all and jump right into profit making. You can replace huge teams and multiple softwares with just one high-quality yet low-priced software. You can purchase the product through the link below. Once you purchase the product, you can contact me on my Instagram ID to claim your bonus. That's all for the review. Thank you.